This is an 8-string guitar style, octave mandolin, Irish bouzouki, depending on tuning, instrument that I made from a Van Gogh, a 3/4 size, thin line, electric acoustic, brand new guitar. Adding extra tuners, gold tuners to the end, and new bridge, new nut to fit everything. So here's what it sounds like.